to be like, well, we believe that the kid should stay out of the house. So technically, I could possibly get my kids back the next court date. It all depends. That's why I said the plea come from. That's the plea. You get what I'm saying? That's the plea. Like, the plea could be, the plea is like, basically they could say, well, we want to get your kids, we want your kids to stay out of the house for 2 years. We don't want your kids to return to your home. I may not agree to that, which I'm not. They already have removed the kids, but I don't agree to that. So I'm not going to take that plea. I'm going to try to go for them coming back to the house, but they having people come into the house and basically every 2 or 3 hours out the week with us. So that's what I'm saying about the plea situation, because right now they got it to where the kids are not here and they're removed out of my custody. So my plea, I'm not taking that. I don't agree with that. I don't agree. That's my plea right now. And I don't agree with that plea deal. So I don't agree to it. So now we got to go to trial. So our next court date after this will be a trial court date, to where they bring up their evidence of why the kids stay at the house, and I bring up my evidence of why I believe they should come back to the house. You get what I'm saying? After the trial, then if they agree to keep the kids out the house. Y'all not even fair. I don't want to talk about it anymore, because I feel like y'all not understanding what I'm saying, and it's like I feel like I'm talking to kids. Do y'all understand what I'm saying or no? Because I keep on talking about some charges, like some civil charges. We're not talking about no civil charges right now. That's not what we're talking about. We're talking about the kids being outside of the house. Okay, you get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? Okay, what I said about, there's the charges it feel like a charge to me because my kids are not here and it's a court order. That's a charge. When they make a court order to enforce something, that is a charge. I do have other cases that's outside of my CPS case dealing with my kids. We're talking about the kids. I'm not talking about nothing that CPS filed outside of this. I'm not talking about nothing that Cooper filed, because anybody can go making a file to the court like Cooper did, but that have nothing to do with my CPS case. You get what I'm saying? We're dealing with my kids being removed. This is about my kids being removed. So right now, they got the kids outside of my house. I don't agree to that. I believe that they should return back and just have some help, some in-house services going on. Okay? So I believe that they should return back, but they should have some in-house services. That means that their social workers come here like 40 hours out the week to assist me with stuff. They might not agree to that. They the prosecutors don't want the kids to turn back until I go through a treatment plan. I said that the kids should turn back and I just go through in-house services. So because I didn't take that plea of I agree that the kids should be removed from the house, then we go to trial. So my next court date after this one, I'm not taking no plea. I don't believe that the kids should be taken away. So then we go to trial. Okay, so I tell you, I have to go to trial. Once we go to trial, I'm gonna with my evidence, they're gonna present their evidence, and then they make a ruling. The ruling may be, yes, we agree that the prosecutors was right, the kids should stay out of the house. Or they may agree